Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study online classes effectively using your laptop. First, find a quiet, dedicated space for learning. This helps minimize distractions and signals to your brain it's time to focus. Next, ensure your laptop is fully charged and your internet connection is stable. A reliable setup prevents interruptions. Finally, gather all your textbooks, notebooks, and pens before class starts, so you are fully prepared and ready to engage. Active engagement is key to successful online learning. Make sure to participate in discussions, offering your insights and asking questions when something is unclear. Turning your camera on, if comfortable, can enhance interaction and keep you more accountable. It also helps build a sense of community. Remember to close unnecessary browser tabs and silence notifications to maintain full focus on the lecture. Efficient note-taking is crucial for retaining information. Utilize digital tools like OneNote or Evernote to keep your notes organized and easily searchable. After class, review lecture recordings and any supplementary materials provided by your instructor. This reinforces learning. Consider creating digital flashcards or concise summaries for important concepts. This active recall method significantly boosts memory retention. Effective time management and self-care are vital for sustained online learning. Schedule specific study blocks, perhaps 2 to 3 hours, and integrate short 5 to 10-minute breaks to refresh your mind. Resist the urge to multitask. Focus on one task at a time for better comprehension. Finally, prioritize self-care, including adequate sleep and physical activity, to prevent burnout and maintain your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.